So similarly, let's create the other tables as well. I'm going to create the departments table here, and also I'm going to create the projects table, and also I'm going to create the employee projects table as well. Now the new thing here is foreign key, right? So what is the foreign key? We use foreign key to build a relationship between two or more than two tables, right? So this is the syntax of the foreign key. This is the built-in keyword foreign key, employee ID, employees data that we created at the first, and the employee ID. That means employee ID, the column of this table, references also to this table, employee projects to the employee ID, right? Similarly, this project ID as well. So let's create this table as well. So quickly, let's see what our table has. Select static from departments. So departments, this is our department tables that we just created. And similarly for the projects here. So this is our projects table, and this is our employee projects table here. So far, so we saw that how to create database and how to use database and how to create table within that database. Next, we will see how to insert the data into these tables.